What's up, people? This is Ammu, and you're watching Ammu's Beauty and Cooking Directory, the place to know DIY hacks to secret recipes for delicious food. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. Here I am sharing my secret hair growth recipe. I would like to tell you that applying shampoos, conditioner, oil is not enough. This will work only 30% of your hair. Remaining 70%, it depends upon your food intake. Not only for your hair, it will also affect on your skin. And my secret hair growth juice will contain only 4 ingredients from your kitchen. That is carrot, apple, mint and cinnamon powder. Carrot contain beta-carotene in high amounts. Carrots are effective in combating your hair loss and they offer vitamins to your hair, making thicker, stronger, shinier, longer and whatnot. Drinking carrot juice regularly make your hair healthy. This carrot juice not only helpful to your hair but also your skin. Drinking carrot juice on regular basis get rid of several scars and skin blemishes. Try my recipe and drink regularly. Your body will thank you and your hair will be happy. And that's all about today's video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you know what you have to do. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more and more interesting videos. See you on next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Keep smiling. Bye.